everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun scroll saw project video, have an amazing design by Steve Good for all of the gamers out there. The design, it has a quote on it, and it says, "Gamers don't die, they just respawn," or they respawn. Really awesome design. It has a generic video game controller on it. Really awesome. Steve calls for 3/4 inch wood or 1/2 inch wood to make this out of, to put on a base and stand up. I don't know a lot of people that have a lot of counter space, so what I'm going to do as always is make this out of 1/4 inch plywood. We're going to stack cut 2 and make one. We'll make both of them that will hang on the wall with a nice backer board. Probably do one red, one blue. Nice video game colors like that. Really awesome design by Steve Good. Really awesome. Great detail in it, in the words and in the controller. Going to be a fun cut. I myself am a retro gamer. I can fondly remember my earliest video game memories are sitting in my grandma and grandpa's living room playing Sonic the Hedgehog on the Sega Genesis with the big bulky controller. But my favorite and fondest memories of video gaming is playing Mario and Super Mario over on the NES and the Super NES, or Super Nintendo as it's called. And just those memories just bring back my childhood, make me smile. I'm a retro gamer. I play video games in the morning most times when I'm having my coffee, just to get my mind woke up and stimulated and ready for the day ahead. Sonic and Mario have always been iconic characters, and it's always the never-ending debate if you are on Team Sonic or Team Mario. I kind of lean toward Mario. As you can tell, I got my classic 8-bit Mario retro shirt on. But as I said, this is a great design by Steve Good, and I'm really excited to do it. I've already got my pattern printed out to full size and attached to the material with clear packing tape. Clear packing tape is all we'll use to hold everything together. So right now, let's head over to the drill press, drill our pilot holes, and get this game started. And over here on the drill press, we're going to begin by drilling all of the pilot holes with a small drill bit. And there is several in this project, but we're going to take our time and get through it and make a beautiful piece of art. Now we're going to head over to the scroll saw and start scrolling. I'm using number 5 reverse tooth, shark tooth scroll saw blades, and they are cutting through the 2 layers of 1/4 inch plywood really great with minimal chip out. As I said, this is a Steve Good design, and if you would like to try it, it is available as a free pattern download over at his website at scrollsawworkshop.blogspot.com over in the free pattern catalog. Just taking my time doing some of the smaller internal cuts. I love retro video games, and they always take my mind off things in the early mornings, like I said, when I tend to play them. I am an early bird. Doing the final internal cut here, and then we will begin the final long outside cut to release the piece from the wood. And as I said, Steve designed this pattern to be put on a base and stood on a counter or desktop, and I just don't have a lot of counter space, so I'm going to add a backer board to it and hang it on the wall. Just taking my time here, following the line and getting it cut out. And we'll head over here to the workbench and remove the pieces and use my handy dandy washer trick to make a perfect 1/8 inch border backer board for the piece, and I'll do this for both pieces. I'll only show how I do one here on the video, and we'll head back over to the scroll saw and use the same number 5 blade to cut it out. Just with it being a little bit thicker wood, it is a slower cut. If you guys like what you're seeing, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me over on Instagram at Artisan Pirate. I'd really appreciate the support. Cutting out the backer board here, and we will head over to Sanding Now with 100 grit sandpaper in the palm sander, and I'll do a little finer detail sanding off camera. And we'll take the backer board outside to spray paint it with a nice cherry red spray paint. And I'll give this a couple coats and let it dry out in the sun. And the project will be ready to assemble with Gorilla wood glue and some spring clamps and strips of wood. I use the strips of wood to add pressure to the middle part of the project. And I let this dry around an hour. And I came back and removed the clamps. And then I took both finished pieces outside to give them several coats of clear gloss spray paint. I did the other one blue. But after 2 or 3 coats, I let that dry and the project was complete. And here we have the completed Gamers Don't Die, They Respawn signs. Came out really awesome and amazing and excellent cut. It cut extremely well over on the scroll saw. A lot of great detail. It has some veining in the letters and in the controller. Really awesome, great detail, and they both came out excellent. I guess that never-ending debate of who is better, Mario being red, Sonic being blue, is still up in the air. Come to think of it, you could actually paint the backer board different colors to represent your favorite video game character, whether it would be like purple for maybe Spyro the Dragon, brown for Donkey Kong, green for Link in the Legend of Zelda series. So really awesome. A variety of ways to finish this. They came out really awesome. It took me a full morning out here in the workshop to do this, but I'm really happy with it and really happy with how they came out. Once again, I'll give you a close-up of the red one just to show you some of the amazing detail in it. Really awesome, and just brings me back to my childhood of playing video games in the living room. Full of nostalgia. Really awesome design. Thank you, Steve Good, for another amazing design. I hope you guys liked this video and I hope you learned something. But that's about all for this one. Remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Keep playing video games. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.